Are you ready to explore the intricate world of research methods in psychology? This video delves into the essential components of designing and reviewing psychological research. Discover how past theories and studies shape research aims and hypotheses. Choosing a research topic involves considering past research, including theories and studies. This foundation leads to the formulation of research aims and hypotheses. It's crucial to decide on a target population that aligns with these aims. The design and materials for the study must be carefully planned. Participants play a vital role in the research process. Research design involves selecting appropriate materials and procedures. This includes choosing tools like questionnaires, tests, or equipment suited to the study's goals. The design ensures the research is methodologically sound and practically feasible. Participants must be chosen based on the research aims. Sampling strategies should ensure the selected individuals reflect the target population, enhancing validity and generalizability of findings. The procedures outline what will be done during the study. This step-by-step plan covers how data will be collected, when tasks will be carried out, and how consistency will be maintained across participants. Statistical methods are selected to analyze the data. The chosen techniques must suit the type of data collected and the hypotheses being tested, ensuring accurate interpretation of results. Ethical considerations are paramount throughout the research process. Researchers must follow ethical principles like informed consent, confidentiality, and protection from harm, as guided by professional ethical codes. Reporting psychological investigations requires following specific conventions. These conventions ensure clarity and consistency in presenting research findings. It's important to adhere to ethical guidelines during reporting. Proper documentation of methods and results is essential. This ensures the research can be replicated and verified by others. Researching psychological papers is key to informing research design. Start by defining your research objectives and questions. Use academic databases to find relevant papers. Keywords and Boolean operators help refine your search. Review titles and abstracts to assess relevance. Evaluating the credibility of sources is crucial in research. Consider the journal's impact factor and author credentials. Analyze the study's methodology for reliability. Identify key theories and models related to your topic. Understanding these elements informs your research design. Analyze the methodologies used in previous studies. Look at how researchers structured their studies, including sampling methods, data collection techniques, and procedures. Assess how well these align with the research objectives. Consider experimental designs, surveys, and case studies. Experimental designs test cause and effect relationships under controlled conditions. Surveys gather large-scale data on attitudes, behaviors, or opinions. Case studies offer in-depth analysis of individuals, groups, or events over time. Analyze the variables and measures employed. Identify independent and dependent variables, how they were operationalized, and whether standardized tools or custom instruments were used. Review results and findings for patterns. Look for consistent trends or contradictory outcomes across studies. These patterns may reveal reliable effects or areas of uncertainty. Identifying limitations and gaps can guide your research direction. Critically examining what past studies failed to address, such as small sample sizes, lack of diversity, or methodological flaws, helps you shape a more robust and original study. Save and organize references using citation tools like EndNote. Summarize key findings from the literature. Synthesize this information to understand the research landscape. Use these insights to inform research design decisions. Proper citation is crucial for academic integrity. Apply and justify your choice of research methods to specific scenarios. Choose methods, experiments, interviews, surveys that best fit the context and purpose of your study. For instance, use experiments for testing cause-effect relationships, or qualitative methods for exploring experiences in depth. Define your research questions and objectives clearly. Ensure they are specific, focused, and aligned with what you aim to discover or prove. Clear questions guide the entire research process and influence every methodological decision. Consider the nature of your questions to select the right method. Quantitative methods suit questions measuring frequency, relationships, or differences. Qualitative methods are ideal for exploring meaning, perspective, or behavior. Mixed methods can be used for more comprehensive insight. Evaluate the strengths and limitations of different methods. Each method has advantages and trade-offs. For example, experiments offer control but may lack real-world applicability, while interviews provide depth but can be time-consuming and subjective. Justify your choice based on research goals. Explain how your chosen method will effectively answer your research questions, considering practicality, ethical concerns, and data quality. Select the research method that aligns with your objectives. Justify your choice by highlighting its advantages. Consider ethical and practical implications of the method. Address potential challenges and develop mitigation strategies. Align your method with relevant theoretical frameworks. Conduct pilot testing to refine your research design. Use literature reviews to support your method choice. Document your justification in the research proposal. Anticipate challenges and plan for them. Ensure your method aligns with the study's theoretical perspective. Reflecting on your learning journey is essential for growth. It builds self-awareness, deepens understanding, and highlights progress over time. Review your understanding of research methods. Evaluate your grasp of key concepts like sampling, analysis, and ethics. Note strengths and areas needing improvement. Consider how you've applied these methods in practice. Reflect on coursework or projects where you use research techniques and how theory translated into action. Identify challenges faced and how they were overcome. Think about obstacles you encountered and the strategies or support that helped you move past them. Reflect on how your perspective has evolved. Acknowledge how your thinking, confidence, and approach to research have developed. Assess your ability to design research studies effectively. Reflect on your proficiency in formulating hypotheses. Evaluate your skills in selecting appropriate methods. Consider your approach to data analysis. Reflect on the rationale behind your methodological choices. Understanding ethical considerations is crucial in psychological research. Reflect on your ability to navigate ethical challenges. Consider the implications of your research methods. Ensure alignment with ethical guidelines. Reflect on the importance of ethics in research design. Evaluate your critical thinking skills in research. Reflect on how collaboration with peers enhanced learning. Consider how well you identify strengths and limitations in studies. Reflect on the role of group activities in your learning. Critical thinking is vital for evaluating research methodologies. Identify areas for improvement in your research skills. Set goals for further learning in research methods. Reflect on how your perspective on research has evolved. Consider changes in your problem-solving approach. Plan for continued growth in your understanding of research methods. Reflect on how your perspective on psychological research has evolved. Consider changes in your approach to inquiry. Explore personal growth in understanding research methods. Reflect on how feedback has influenced your learning. Document your reflection for future reference. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements in mastering research methods. Reflect on successes in applying research skills. Consider how these skills are transferable to other contexts. Celebrate milestones in your learning journey. Reflect on the importance of recognizing achievements. Consider how to continue enhancing your research methods understanding. Reflect on the importance of ongoing learning. Plan for further study beyond the current course. Consider how to apply research skills in future endeavors. Reflect on the value of lifelong learning. In conclusion, by engaging in thoughtful reflection, you gain valuable insights into your research methods journey. This awareness allows you to recognize strengths, address weaknesses, and build confidence in your skills. This process fosters ongoing growth and improvement. Reflection encourages continuous learning and helps you apply feedback constructively in future work. It enhances your understanding and application of psychological research methods. Ultimately, it deepens both your academic knowledge and practical research abilities. Thank you